In the vastness of space, where adventure awaits, one small mistake can have catastrophic consequences. This is the story of what can happen when an astronaut becomes adrift. Imagine being thousands of miles away from Earth, completely alone in the cold, dark vacuum of space. It's a situation that no astronaut ever wants to find themselves in. But, unfortunately, it's a real danger they face every time they leave our planet. As you can see, life in space is not for the faint of heart. And when an astronaut becomes adrift, it can quickly turn into a life or death situation. So, what exactly does it mean to be adrift in space? Adrift in space means that an astronaut has become separated from their spacecraft. This can happen for a variety of reasons, such as a mechanical failure or a loose safety tether. Regardless of the reason, it's a terrifying situation that puts the astronaut's life at risk. When an astronaut is adrift, they are immediately exposed to the harsh environment of space. They have a limited supply of oxygen, they're at risk of radiation exposure, and they have to face the psychological toll of being completely isolated. It's a dire situation that requires a rapid response. This is where the equipment that astronauts carry with them becomes critical. From emergency oxygen supplies to tools for communicating with mission control, every piece of equipment is designed to keep astronauts safe in the event of an emergency. When an astronaut becomes adrift, mission control swings into action. They immediately initiate search and rescue operations and follow established emergency protocols. But even with the best equipment and procedures in place, the situation is still incredibly dangerous. It's important to understand that the dangers faced by astronauts in space are unique. They're unlike anything faced by other professionals, such as pilots, deep-sea divers, or mountaineers. The harsh environment of space and the lack of immediate medical support make it a particularly dangerous situation. When it comes to search and rescue operations, the difficulties are many. The vastness of space and the time delay in communicating with mission control make it a complex and challenging situation. And, unfortunately, the limitations of current technology mean that it's not always possible to reach the astronaut in time. In conclusion, the dangers faced by astronauts in space are real and significant. It's critical that we continue to work towards improving safety measures to protect these brave individuals as they explore the unknown. But you can help too. By supporting space organizations, advocating for increased funding for space exploration, and staying informed about space missions and developments, you can play a role in ensuring the safety of our astronauts. And as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, let's remember the sacrifices and the bravery of those who dare to venture into the unknown. This has been the tragic consequences of floating away in space. Thank you for watching.